So now today I am starting problem set of this second lesson, means quadratic equation, and the word problem starts from question number 9. See here, problem set second, the word problem starts from 9, question number 9. See here, what is question that? The sum of two roots of quadratic equation is 5 and the sum of their cubes is 35. Find the equation. So now we know that if roots are alpha and beta, if the roots of given equation are alpha beta, the equation will be x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. This is the equation. Okay, this is equation when alpha and beta are the roots, alpha and beta roots. Now see here, instead of giving them directly alpha and beta, what they have given? Sum of two roots of quadratic equation is 5, means alpha plus beta given 5. See here, alpha beta given 5 and sum of their cubes, alpha cube plus beta cube given 35, and we have to find out the equation x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta, means alpha plus beta 5, this much given 5 given directly. See here, x square minus, it will be 5x, but we have to find out alpha into beta. This is main problem. Means in this equation we have to find out first alpha into beta. They have given cubes given, alpha plus beta given directly. Okay, sum of two roots of quadratic equation is 5. Suppose instead of their writing sum of their cube 35, if they are written their product is 35, we will have to write the value of 35, then the equation become x square minus 5x plus 35. This will be answer. This will be answer, but what is that? This is not product, this is sum of their cubes given. Therefore, from these cubes we have to find out value of alpha into beta. See now here, let alpha and beta are the roots of the given equation. Okay, given equation means alpha and beta are the roots of that given equation. Therefore, what we can say directly, alpha plus beta is equal to 5 and alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 35. Okay, sum of roots 5 and sum of their cube 35. Now from this we have to find out value of alpha into beta, means whatever we are doing now, we are doing for alpha into beta. We have to find out, because if once we find value of alpha into beta, we can put value in that quadratic equation this way, x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. In this equation we will substitute value and make equation, but we want to find out value of alpha into beta. Our target is now to find value of alpha into beta. How to find now? See here, we know this identity of this alpha plus beta bracket cube. See here, alpha plus beta bracket cube, answer is alpha cube plus 3 alpha into beta in bracket alpha plus beta cube. This is identity. Okay, this is identity for alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta bracket cube is equal to alpha cube plus 3 alpha beta in bracket alpha plus beta cube. This is identity. Now put values. Alpha plus beta, how much coming? 5. 5 cube is equal to, now see here, alpha cube plus beta cube, this much given 35. We can write here 35 plus 3 alpha into beta we don't know, plus alpha plus beta we know it is 5. Okay, see here, alpha cube plus beta cube we know it is 35 plus 3 alpha into beta we don't know, this 5 we know. Now 5 cube, 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5, 5 5 is 25 and 25 again 5 is answer coming 125. 35 plus 5 is 15, 15 alpha into beta. Now this 35 plus this side, it will become minus left hand side. Okay, then 125 minus 35 become 15 alpha into beta. Subtraction 125 minus 35. Answer coming 90. 90 will be 15 alpha into beta. 90 upon 15 equal to alpha into beta. Answer coming 6 equal to alpha into beta. Answer coming alpha into beta. How much coming? 6. Now we know that equation what? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. This is the formula for to make equation quadratic equation by when alpha and beta are the roots. Now x square minus alpha plus beta we know. Alpha plus beta we know that. How much that? 5. It will be 5x and plus alpha into beta 6 equal to 0. Therefore, equation will be x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. This is given equation. Okay. This is given equation. Means answer should be x square minus 5x plus 6. Therefore, we can say that the given equation is x square minus 5x plus 6. Now we can verify this. How to verify? See now here. Find actually alpha and beta value of that. See here. X square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Now see addition 5 multiplication 6. 3 to the 6. We can say that x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, answer coming x in bracket x minus 3 minus 2 in bracket x minus 3 equal to 0. Now, after solving this, answer coming x minus 3 x minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 3 equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 3 become there plus x coming 3 and x coming 2. We can say that alpha 3 and beta is equal to 2. Now see, check now, sum of the roots 5 coming, okay, and sum of the cubes 9's cube. See here, with 3's cube will be 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 9 27. 2's cube 2 into 2 into 2 become 2 to the 4 8. And do addition of this 35 coming. Therefore, sum of their cubes is 35. Therefore, the roots are 3 and 2. And equation final answer is what? X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Okay. They want this answer as final answer.